start knocking or ringing the doorbell. Welcome to the Cooking General. This on the wild side. Oh man, we're gonna go back to some wildlife. Now, you probably like Cooking General, man. Nobody eat that. Okay, but we're gonna do this here because I got another wildlife video to do in the future. And I got 2 dessert videos coming up. And I'm a versatile cooker. I can cook in Japan, Spain. You can send me to Russia. You can send me anywhere. I can cook anything. I can do it. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to prove it to you on these next videos. Unfortunately, I can only do 1 video a week. So, with that being said, today we're going to make some coon fajitas. Oh, man. Now, you probably like coon fajitas. Now, coon fajitas, yes, because back then we used to camp. We used to go camping. And all the guys get together and we try to kill some wildlife. And it's for food. It's not for sport, for food. And we get back and we try to make it taste like something else. And I was the first one to cook a coon and made it taste like beef because I had a party and I served coon fajitas and people was eating it and I was like, that's for coon. They're like, man, I don't eat no coon, man. It's beef, man. Quit playing. Oh, well. Come and let me show you how you can do it. First of all, you're going to need you a couple of coons. We're going to boil them now. Okay. Now, over here, we're going to need some flour tortillas. We got 2 types of cheese. Now, we're going to need some black pepper for the seasoning, hot sauce, and then here, we got some guacamole, cilantro, and we got some sour cream, and we got some fajita seasoning. We're also use the beef stock. We're going to boil it in a little vinegar, and then we're also going to top it. We got jalapeno, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and bell pepper. Boy, 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 boy. Now, you looking at that there? You think it ain't gonna be good? I know some people gonna turn their head. You probably don't even wanna watch this video. But I got a good fancy video coming out next week. Oh man, I wish I could have done it for Valentine's, but fortunately my schedule is really busy. But I got something gonna be tremendous. Never been tried, never been done before. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. Man, who is the most powerful man in the universe? Somebody said,
Everyone who's ever doubted Donald, whoever disagreed, whoever challenged him, it's the ultimate revenge to become the most powerful man in the universe.
Nah, I don't think so. I know somebody more powerful than that. You better ask somebody. Oh, yeah, you go. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. We finna do these coon fajitas. Now, this is gonna be pretty simple to do, you know what I'm saying? And if that's the case, you eat that kind of stuff. Now, I'm going to also do a recipe using tofu for the vegetarians and vegans out there. Hey, I know all kind of cooking experience, and that's coming up in a future video. Now, come here, let me show you this here. Check this out here. Now, I got my coon. Now, I put the water. Now, I soak this stuff overnight in vinegar. That's what you want to do your wildlife. Now, I got my beef stock. And I got the pot about halfway with water, but you want to add your beef stock to it. And I'm going to use the whole box of beef stock in there. And I cut the feet and stuff off. But I want to show you it was a coon. Now, you get that in there, you want to shake your little hot sauce in there, in that water. Right there. Now, I want to add me a little black pepper. Top of my, I don't put that much right about there. Now, half a bell pepper, a whole jalapeno, de-seeded, onion, a whole onion, and I cut it in 4 ways. Just drop it in there. And your fajita seasoning. And we're going to also put this in because we're going to stir fry it in olive oil when we get it deboned. There. Now, sit back and relax and get ready for the Cooking General, man. That's going to be good. Man, y'all actually think he's the most powerful man in the universe? I think I know somebody more powerful. I got to think of it. I'll be back. Ask somebody. Oh, welcome to the Cooking General. Boy, man, I'm telling you, coon fajita, man, come on now. I used to go camping. I'm going to do a gourmet recipe for y'all next week. But man, these coon fajitas, you ain't going to know from difference between coon and beef. Come here, let me show you this here. Man, look at that. Now, I boil this coon. I put a little vinegar in that water too, and I debone it. That's all debone. That's all the lean on it. I put some onions, bell pepper in there. I got them sauteing. Now, what I did, I had a little olive oil off in there, which I used up here. Just put a little olive oil in there to stir fry your vegetables in a little bit before you put your meat in there. Then, just fajita seasoning and black pepper. That's all I did. Whoo, man. You ain't never had coon fajitas? I guarantee you cook this here. Don't tell nobody nothing. They gonna think it's beef. And you boiling that beef broth too. Oh man. Whoo!
Cooking Journal, you forgot to say who the most powerful man of the universe.
Most powerful man. Oh yeah. Let me think about it. Ask somebody. Oh man, I'm glad to see y'all, man. We finished. Man, for y'all wildlife enthusiasts, man, coon fajita, you need to try it. Really. You need to try it. Now, I put me a little butter off in this here. And got my little tortilla, little brown over here. Now, you just put it down there. So what you want to do, you want to take your little sour cream and rub that on there like that. Man, it's going to be good. Get you some coon. Look at that. Look at that. Onions and bell peppers right there with it. Now, put you a few tomatoes on it. There we go. That's what I'm talking about here. What you call eating here, man. Put your little lettuce on there. And just a dab of this here guacamole. Now, you can also use, a little sauce if you want to. But I just put a little guacamole on it. And then, top it off with some cheddar. Oh, man. And I'm going to use this faux mesquite cheese, too. Oh, man. Look at that. Boy, wrap it up. Ooh, man. Yep, that's beef. You cannot kill me. Don't say that's beef. Woo! Cooking Journal. Ask somebody.
Cooking Journal, bring your butt back here. You forgot to say who the most powerful man of the universe.
Oh, that's right. It ain't him. I know who it is. And I bet y'all leave in the comments. Y'all agree with me. It's